today's activity is a bit of a challenge, and that is you want to be the first person to say salam to all of your family members. You can make this a bit of a competition between your children, for example, and perhaps the first person to do it, you could even give them a small prize. And the whole idea behind this is that we know part of humility is to spread salam, to be the first to give salam. And this is one of those actions in Islam where the sunnah is more rewarding than the wajib. To give salam is a sunnah. To respond to the salam is a wajib. And yet the sunnah gets more reward than the wajib. Why? Because you are the one who is initiating the salam. And there is a very, very famous hadith known as the hadith of salam, where the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that spread salam amongst you, feed the poor and pray while the people are sleeping, and you will enter Jannah with salam. And this hadith was narrated by a Sahabi by the name of Abdullah bin Salam. This is the hadith of salam, of safety, of peace, of security, the safest way to enter paradise.